Guys, so today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do this new style I've been seeing all over Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Twitter, fucking every social media. It's this like swoop with the bangs, all that stuff. I've never done it before, so we're gonna be figuring it out together. It's gonna be a little tutorial. It's quarantine, coronavirus, all that craziness, so I figured this is the perfect time. I have a whole bunch of free time on my hands, a whole lot of hair. So this is what my hair is looking like. Oh my gosh, straight out the shower, no product in it. Y'all can see not that cute. So we gonna try and tame this mane I got going on, and hopefully, and if y'all see me keep looking over here, this is my mirror I have over here so I can actually see what the heck I'm doing. Hopefully y'all can follow along. Today I'm gonna be using, and y'all, this quarantine got me messed up because literally I only have a few products left. It's like barely focusing, but it's the Deeply Restoring Proxy Recovery Oil. So like this quarantine is a hurry up and finish because I need to go to the store, get more products. Also I have this Aussie Curls. Also not focusing. I love this product so much. It like defines my curls, make it look all sexy, make it look all sexy, not looks all sexy, make it look all sexy. And so that's literally like all I have. Also for like my actual products. And then I have this gel that I've had for forever that I also need to get more of. Oh my gosh, everything like this needs to hurry up. But this is my Eco Styling Gel. Y'all already know this is every curly girl's, every girl period, probably white girl, Hispanic girl, Blasian, all of that. This is my, oh, this is my holy girl. I use the black castor and flaxseed oil because I like y'all, I love how this one smells. The other ones, they smell good too, but like this one, it's like sparkly a little bit. Like I don't know if y'all seen this one. It's like, it's my favorite one. Anyway, so we're gonna get started. So we're gonna start by wetting my hair since it's been a minute since I got out the shower.
Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? Yeah. It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you and I'm alone. Part of me that cares is gone, and I know that.
Okay, so we're gonna section, and not section, we're gonna put this part up and deal with it later. And then the rest of my hair, what should I do? Actually, I saw this style on Instagram. Let me go look at my inspiration again. Whew. Let's see. I just seen it. We go to my, oh, also y'all make sure to follow me on Instagram. Y'all, I need more followers. I'm about to do this YouTube stuff for real since I got hella free time on my hands now. So make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna have everything linked below. Okay, I'm gonna put the inspo I got for this style over here. Yes, like y'all, she is so beautiful. Y'all, my camera, like, it keeps automatically stopping and starting. Like I'm so sorry if it's all choppy, but now that we looking crazy, I just put my hair up in a ponytail. So first I'm gonna use my Miracle product. This stuff like really moisturizes my hair, which I'm gonna need because this gel, all the amount of gel I'm about to be putting on my precious curls is probably not healthy. So we're gonna go ahead and comb this part.
We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. No, I'm holding it in, cause I know in the end, you don't dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been, we could have. Remember the night in Miami, first time you put your arms around me. I'm up reminiscing. Thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what good you would do if I decide to face the truth. It could have been right, but I was wrong. I only think about you when you're gone. Only hit me up when she's not home, and that's why I can't get caught up.
I'm just gonna let that part just chill over here, and then I'm gonna start on this, the main part of this hairstyle. You're gonna wet it up again.
We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. Oh, then again, cause I know in the end, you dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been. We could have been. We could have been. We could have been.
I'm gonna put these two parts into the ponytail.
Oh, then again, cause I know in the end, you dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been. We could have. We could have been. We could have been. We could have been. We could have been.
Like, I'm gonna just call it quits right here. It's not that ugly. Okay. And I'm just gonna try and slick this down the best that I very can. Like, put some gel on this section.
What we could have been, what we should have been. If I wasn't with somebody, if you gotta hide it, what's the point of trying? I ain't just your friend, no, what's the point?
I think I did a pretty good job slicking it down. Obviously, I'm gonna tighten down my scarf, and I still need to do my edges, which is my favorite part. So, as you know, my Eco Styler, my toothbrush, and let's get started.
What we could have been, what we should have been. If I wasn't with somebody, if you gotta hide it, what's the point of trying? I ain't just your friend, no, what's the point of lying? Trying to sell a story, ain't nobody buying. Look me in my eyes, don't that feel nice? Why should it then? Baby, I could have been him more than your friend. Just like where to win, where to make a trip, maybe make a wish, be the one I'm with. Should have been, shoulda, coulda, would have been. Hey, yeah, I would have been. Yeah, would have been. We could have been.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Aussie, this stuff on top. And honestly, you don't really need too much of this product because I feel like it sort of like leaves my hair with like a crunchy sort of like feel to it, and that's never cute. So you only need a little bit, and this stuff really defines my curls, so you don't need like an OD amount. So excuse my messed up shirt, y'all. I'll be using another product. But this, I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair dry. And I'm gonna get back to you when I can take this off finally. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. Y'all make sure to like this video, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna be posting a bunch more because, you know, I got a whole bunch of free time now. I'm sure all of y'all do. So I know y'all definitely got time to like this video, subscribe, do all that stuff. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace out.